To the lobby elevator here at the Marriott Rivercenter Tower in downtown San Antonio. Oh, the buttons are on this side. Fans on in here. We got the river level. Takes forever to level. Let's go to 2. Let's listen to the motor while getting a cab view. Look in the ceiling here, you see. Hey. Really takes a long time. Let's go down to 1. That button really pushes out. Let's get a cab view from this angle. These are the fixtures, floor indicator. The phone is right there. This isn't a perfect elevator. All right, and we're gonna watch it close up. There it goes. Garage elevators here at the Marriott Rivercenter Hotel in downtown San Antonio, Texas. Oh, man, isn't going to the phone. P3?
Yes, please.
Which floor do you want?
P3.
Okay. These are the fixtures. It's a Westinghouse. Okay, I'll let you out here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There's into the parking. Let's go to 1. Let's get a cab view. I personally like these cabs. The ceiling, hey. Those are the fixtures, that's the floor indicator. Okay, though. And there it goes. The thing we're gonna film are the low rise. Turns out we already have one sitting here on the up peak. 25. Okay. We're at 21. Is this where you're getting off?
Yep.
Okay. Well, have a good day.
Thank you.
Yep, it's a Westinghouse. Door close button does not work. We're at 25. Alright, let's go down to 1. Ugh, it's a sick bell. Let's get a good cab view. Pretty nice elevator for a hotel like this. These are the fixtures over here. The phone is right there in case we get stuck. Three, 2, 1. My ears are popping. These are replacement fixtures for Westinghouse AE. All right, and I believe that elevator is gonna stay on the up peak, so I'm just gonna let it go. Oh, there it goes. Now it's time for the best part. The high-rise elevators. These elevators are extremely fast. However, they take forever because look how high up they go. Oh wow, here we go. Oh boy, here we go. Let's go to 38. Alright, I'm with my dad this time. Whoa. Oh, we're stopping at the 3rd floor. These elevators are rockets. Going up to which floor? 27? You gotta push these buttons really hard. Get a good view of the end. Oh wow. This is extremely fast. Alright, here we are at 27. Where you're getting off at, right? You have a good day, ma'am. My dad's playing a game. Whoa. Skip the 33rd floor. I feel bad for you, buddy. Here we are at level 38. Let's go down to 1. I like the dinner bell chimes that are put on these. Let's get a cab view. This angle first. Okay, this time it skipped the 32nd floor, which is really common. Really common for stuff like that, for that to happen. I should take another ride on this. We'll go back up to 38 and we'll get out and get a view. Okay, it's time to give this another ride. It takes forever to level though. I'm gonna take a solo ride now without my dad. Whoa. We are at level 38. Now we'll go out and get a view. And we're gonna go out and get a good view into San Antonio, Texas. There's the Hyatt Hotel, and there's the Drury Inn and Suites. There's that other building. All right. Let's get another look in the hallway. Pretty nice place. Now we'll go back down. And we go back down on the same elevator. I like that dinner bell. Now let's go back down to 1. Now, in the ceiling, who do you see? Hey. Oh, we're stopping at the 30th floor. Coming down, 1, right? Oh wow, look what happened to 2. I'll get a good view of the fixtures. And just to let you know, those are not Westinghouse AE fixtures. And there it goes. And that is it.